Just looking at you makes me smile again, better than any show on my TV screen. It's only been a few days since I saw your face, but my heart feels fevered from missing you. When raindrops fall outside my window, your face comes to my mind. The day we shared one little umbrella, I can't forget that time. When the rain stops, I'll come to you again. No more tears, no more pain inside my heart. I'll take your hand and softly say to you, I love you. I really do. Just the thought of you makes me feel so warm. Even in my dreams, we meet all night long. But these days you seem a little far away, and I can't help feeling afraid. Your back looks colder than before. Did I run too fast to you? Maybe my love was too much for you, but my heart still beats for you. When the rain stops, I'll come to you again. No more tears, no more pain inside my heart. I'll hold you close and whisper once again, I love you. I really do. Even if the time has changed our ways, my heart will stay the same. You're the only one I'll ever love, forever and always. When sunlight breaks through after the rain, I see your smile shining once again. The sadness fades away with the breeze. Our love will bloom endlessly, calling out your name so softly. This time I won't let go. You are the spring that warms my soul, my